1. Click Tools. 2. Click on UChem Test. 3. Move the crosshair cursor or drag the progress bar on the right and bottom. Note: if the image is black, it means the camera is off and needs to be turned on. Move the mounting head to the top of the bulk material. 4. Find a flat material to make the model. 5. Move to the center of the material. 6. Then click Model Create. 7. Name the bulk material according to the material footprint or the silk screen on the material. 8. Press Enter to save the name. 9. Drag the screenshot with the left mouse button to frame the silk screen. 10. Start editing the model. Press the B key to display the image in white and black after binarization. Press the I key to invert the binary value. You can see that the surface of the material is black and the silk screen is white, so just select binarization. Select according to the actual situation. 11. Press E to erode, make the obvious character smaller, and erode the burrs and edges. D key expansion operation to eliminate noise spots and raised features. G key Gaussian blur, weakening edge noise features. Note: the image editing operation requires more testing. 14. After the operation is completed, click Q to save the model. 15. Select the model to start the test. 16. Move the cross cursor to the center of the bulk material to start the test. 17. You can turn off the camera and let the recognized model freeze on the material. Max refers to the maximum number of objects recognized by the camera at one time. ROI and ROI, these two parameters refer to the recognition range, and the maximum range is 1400. B1 refers to the matching degree between the bulk material recognized by the camera and the model, ranging from 0 to 1. The larger the value, the stricter the matching standard. 18. Click Test. 19. Bulk materials need to be tested multiple times. 20. Start making IC model. Move to the top of the ICs and start making model. 21. The pattern can also be used as a model. 22. There are many small white dots. You need to corrode and reduce them first, then expand and enlarge them, finally perform Gaussian blur. (23) Click Q to save and exit. 24. Select the bulk material model. 25. Move to the middle of the material and start testing. 26. You can reduce the V1 value to reduce the matching degree between the model and the actual bulk material. 27. Material identification requires multiple tests.